Okay, so let's the step 18, list posts. Goal of this step is show list of posts in homepage. So let's get started. First, please copy this line and open homepage.dot and replace body with this code. And we also fix indent. Okay, so fix editor indent. Okay, so let's fix import issue. We need Firestore package. Okay, everything okay. Restart application and check the code. Okay, so it shows a post. Okay. So let's go back to document and check code. This is almost same code with official example. So let's check official example. Here, class book list. Inside the book list, the stream builder and stream. And this is a code of Firestore. And it returns if snapshot has error, it returns error. If loading, it returns loading text, and if loading successfully, it returns this view. So the code is almost same, but there's a one different code. So go back to document. But post correction is sub correction of users top level correction. So we need to use correction group. So this is a Stack Overflow question. So like this correction group, we need to use correction group. So this is books is something like users. So users is top level correction. That's why you can use correction.books. But in our example, post is sub correction, so not top level correction. That's why we need to use correction group. So this is one different things from official document example. Okay, so let's go next. Add post again to check how stream builder works. So let's add a post. So title for and content for say post. Yeah, it automatically added this title for post. As you may feel, this is not looking good because the order is not good. So we want to order by created. That's why I need created add field to order. So please copy this code and find stream. Oh, okay. So select this, paste this. Oh, fix. The only difference is this part. Just I add order. Oh, I add order by code, and this descending true. So let's check example. Okay, it looks good. Title 4, title 3 to 1. So you can check order by here. So this is official order by reference. Okay, so let's go next. Refactor code to use post model. Why? Data which is returned by Firestore is document snapshot type data. So let's check code. Here, the returned value is document snapshot data type. But it is good practice to define post model and what type of fields post model should have in our application side. So let's check this document. In this example, they are taken JSON API response and they are doing like this. So define user class, and from JSON data, they initialize user. We are doing the same things like this example. With this approach, the calling code can have type safety, auto comparison for name and email fields, and compile time exception if you make typos or treat the field as int instead of strings. The app won't compile instead of crashing at runtime. So anyway, let's do the same things. So first, create post model. So inside leave folder, please make models, and inside models, please make new file post.dot and copy code. Paste this. And I think this syntax is a little bit difficult of dot code. So this is a constructor, and this is named constructor here, named constructor, and initializer list. So you can run this syntax in these links. So this is a constructor document, and this is a constructor. And name the constructor is like this, and also initialize list here. This is initializer list syntax. But at first, I felt this syntax is really difficult, so you need to get used to this syntax. Okay, so refactor stream builder in homepage.dot. Please copy this line and close this, and homepage.dot. Please find children snapshot.data documents.map. So under this code, please paste this and fix import issue. Sorry. Okay. And import post model. And instead of document title, let's use post title. And next, instead of document content. So this is a good point, because auto compression is working well. I'm sorry. So we are initializing post from this post class. So this auto compression working. Okay, so this is okay, everything okay. So let's check the emulator, and the emulator also working okay. So let's go next section. So please copy this line and go to home page. So under subtitle, I add on top method. So what we are going to do is, if user click this link, they are navigated to post show page. So fix indent and fix indent. Okay, so in the next step, I will fix this error, because post show page cannot have post as a props. So go back document, everything we did. So this is just a memo. Okay, so finish.